The consumer base of tobacco in India stands at 34.6% of all adults, while 75% of Indian tobacco consumers use non-smoking tobacco products such as gutka and pan masala. Source GATS. Gutka use can begin at a very young age. Due to its flavored taste, easy availability, and cheapness, it is popular among poor children who exhibit precancerous lesions at an early age. On discussing the issue with the people, we came across two impactful cases which had two opposite approaches towards their addiction and how the recent ban laid by the government on गुटखा had affected them. बालकी सिंह जी, क्या आप गुटखा खाते हैं?
हाँ जी।
आपको कितने साल हो गए खाते हुए?
मुझे हो गए 10 साल हो गए।
तो जब से दिल्ली सरकार की तरफ से ये रोक लगाई गई है, क्या ये आपके लिए कोई दुविधा लाई है?
दुविधा तो कुछ भी नहीं ले आई।
क्या ये जितने भी पान की दुकानें होती हैं और जहाँ पे भी आप जहाँ से लेते हैं गुटखा, वहाँ पे अभी भी मिलती हैं?
अभी मिलती हैं।
क्या वो उसी प्राइस पे मिलती हैं, उसी दाम पे मिलती हैं या ब्लैक में मिलती हैं?
महंगे मिल रहे।
क्या ये अलाउड है दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से आपके हिसाब से?
अब दिल्ली के अलाउड से तो सस्ता होना चाहिए, अलाउड तो होना ही चाहिए।
Today, we approached a vendor by the name of Balwinder, who runs a small pan stall in the capital, to see how easy it is for a person, be it an adult or a youngster, to access गुटखा related products, such as a common गुटखा पान. जी, एक बात बताइए, आपको पता है कि दिल्ली में गुटखे पे रोक लगा दी गई है बिक्री से?
सही बात है सर जी। गुटखे से बंद करने से हम लोग का रोजगार ख़त्म हो गया। जो हम लोग अन्न खा रहे हैं, दिल्ली सरकार खुद जान रही है कि जो अन्न खा रहे हैं, हर बच्चा यूरिया खा रहा है, वो कैंसर की बीमारी नहीं है।
Now we have the famous dental surgeon Dr. Ekta Chadda with us, who will be sparing her precious time and discussing with us her views about tobacco addiction in the nation and the recent ban laid on gutka consumption or production by the government. Even after the harmful effects of tobacco and all these bans on tobacco products, people in India still continue to use it. What do you think is the major reason behind it?
Easy access. Lot of Delhi, we have another issue is that even if you ban in Delhi, we have NCR, we have Noida, we have Haryana, so we have multiple states involved around Delhi, which in UP and Haryana it's more readily available. So to enforce it in Delhi, where you have no tobacco available, that is also going to be a little difficult. People are looking for this is the cheapest form of addiction available. It's really cheap for a common man, for a common person. You will find most of the daily wagers, most of the laborers, because it is very cheaply available, and any form of addiction is welcome for them for that price. That is probably one of the reasons why people are really addicted to it.
In a nation like India, 206 million people, including women and children as young as 13, use smokeless forms of tobacco which are known to cause cancer. Smokeless tobacco products such as gutka and khaini are found to have 3095 chemical ingredients, of which 28 were proven carcinogens, an agent directly involved in causing cancer, which explains the sudden bans in so many states all over India by the government. But the real question is, how effective are these bans in helping the people of this nation? The question which will only be answered after consistency in the ban and a long period of time.